She's your queen to be, a queen to...
Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You made dumb assumptions. Clearly not your forte. Clearly don't be fucking. You've been fucking liars. Thought that I should let you know. And you was talking freaky like you was gonna...
Konnichiwa, my royal queens and kings. It is your queen, Nicole, the Pisces queen. In today's video, you see my daughter, Nicolette, my oldest. I decided to do her makeup for the first time. I've been telling her I was going to do it for the longest time. But then I was like, this is the time, right before school start, I can go ahead and do her makeup. So her favorite color is green, but I did not think that green will look good on her because when I do green on me, I don't like it. So I didn't want to put green on her. So I chose her first color. Her favorite color used to be purple, and now it's green. Aha! I didn't tell her daddy that. Why he's talking about how can you change your color? Like what? Come on now. Anyways. Yeah. Yeah. That's an inside joke, Daddy. Anyways, I decided to do purple because purple was her favorite color when she was little. JC, yeah, people can change their colors. Okay. So I did purple, and while I was doing her makeup, well, I already knew this, but the reason why I did her makeup is one, to see if I was able to do her makeup like I do my own. And while I did not like match the makeup to her face, we're pretty much the same color. So I thought it would just be about the same. And I wasn't wrong. I wasn't right, but I wasn't wrong. You know, it wasn't too far off. So by doing her makeup, well, I already knew, but again, I just want to confirm with myself that is not something I want to do. I don't want to be an influencer. I just want to be a creator. I just want to sit here at my vanity table or in my bathroom or wherever I'm going to do my makeup and do my makeup. You know, I'll do my daughters, I'll do my kids' makeup when they want me to. If they like it, then I'll do it, you know. But I don't want to do anybody else outside of my kids' makeup. I don't want to do it. I just rather do my own and theirs. And I also experienced this with my mom. I didn't do her makeup, but she asked me to put on her lashes. And I put them on the way I will put my own lashes on, you know. And it's not that she complained or anything like that. And even if she did, it's her right to do so because she want her lashes done the way she want her lashes done. And I was like, okay, so I had to change them like 2 to 3 times and fix it. And, you know, I even tried to give her a wing. She didn't like it. And that alone put me in my feelings. Like, I don't want to do this. This is not something I know. This is not something I can handle. I cannot handle being told that my work is not good enough. I cannot handle being told this is not right. Can you fix it? I can't. I can't do this. That's my mom. So if I can't handle it from my mom, just imagine a stranger telling me they don't like the work that I did. Oh my God, I can't. I can't handle it, you know? I feel like I do my very best on my own self. I do good and it looks great. Not all the time. Not all the time. Okay, so I struggle. I still struggle. So I'm not perfect. Of course, nobody is. But, you know, it just lets me know that I do not want to do other people's makeup. I don't want to be an influencer. I just want to sit here and show you guys things that I've learned and do makeup challenges and makeup tricks and unboxings and wig reviews and stuff like that. Like, you know, stuff like that. I don't want to, like, be an influencer, you know. So, I just wanted to express that. I didn't really want to tell any of my story times while she's getting her makeup done. So in another video, I will do a story time on how I was catfished twice. Not once, but twice. And this is before they had a word for it that I know of. Before the show came out, let's just say that. Before the show Catfish came out, this happened to me 2 times. Not once, but twice. Anyways, I will let y'all listen to the music. This is a pretty short video. So let me know what y'all think about her makeup. Honest opinion. What could I have done better? What did I do right? Honest opinions are always welcome here. I take nothing as a negative comment unless you be like, bitch, you did horrible. And I'd be like, really though? I'm not going to delete that comment though. I'm going to leave it right there. Because a comment is a comment, okay? But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And if you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing. And if you are already subscribed, China, you already know you are the real MVP. Now this girl, Danny and China, and Danny. I'm so sorry, Danny. Danny and China are the main 2 people who always watch my videos. I swear to God, on everything. I don't gotta say China come watch my videos. She is on it. And I'm gonna do the same thing for her, if not better. I will watch her videos while I am missing the video and I need to go watch right now. I'm gonna go watch that, China. I'm on it. Don't worry, I got you. Anyways, thank y'all for watching. And also, don't forget to let me know, what do y'all think about the makeup look I did on my daughter? It seems like I'm handling her roughly, but I'm not. It's just in fast forward. That's all. Okay, bye-bye.
Another broken plate, another called off date. We never seem to get it right. Another heart attack, words that we can't take back. We are the reason opposites attract. Once you slam the door on the 2nd floor, I regret it all. When I think it through, I can't help the way I feel for you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the worst can sting. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. By the phone, hoping you'll answer yours. Baby, let's talk until we're fine. You've been in bed for days, empty without me, you say. Can't you just magically turn up in mine? Then you knock on my door on the 2nd floor, and I feel okay. We just made it through, and I love the way I feel for you. Make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the worst can sting. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Oh yeah, still feels right, still feels right, still feels right. Still feels right, still feels right, still feels right. Oh yeah. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. We never get it right, but it still feels right. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. That's how I feel about you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can stay. I wanna change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Oh yeah. Still feels right. 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 Oh yeah. Got the feeling from the start you might be the guy who'll break my heart. Hello, hello. Even though I took a risk, it is worth the while for just one kiss. I know, I just know it. Caught up in the moment, wanna spend every second with you, yeah. All I do is thinking about you. Stuck in the middle, what can I do? Yeah, I just wanna be right next to you. Right in the middle, right in between. Ooh, it is up to you what we will be. Ooh, I don't know what to do. I'm stuck in the middle with you. You and I are so alike, and I guess it can be that sometimes. Don't know, I don't know. Even when you say let's go, I can see the hesitation grow. Just know, I just know it. Caught up in the moment, wanna spend every second with you, yeah. All I do is thinking about you. Stuck in the middle, what can I do? Yeah, I just wanna be right next to you. Right in the middle, right in between. Ooh, it is up to you what we will be. Ooh, I don't know what to do. I'm stuck in the middle with you. I just wanna know where you wanna go. I don't wanna be stuck in the middle. I just wanna know what's to come. Stuck in the middle, what can I do? Yeah, I just wanna be right next to you. But in the middle, right in between. I want to. Stuck in the middle, what can I do? I just wanna be right next to you. Right next to you. Right in the middle, right in between. Right in between. It is up to you what we will be. Ooh, I don't know what to do. I'm stuck in the middle with you. I just wanna be right next to you. Right next to you. Right in the middle, right in between. It is up to you what we will be. Ooh, I don't know what to do. I'm stuck in the middle with you.
You're taking my hand, leading the way, staying the night. Looking at you, making your moves, there is no silence. I wish you'd never let go. All this moving in the zone, I'ma lose it out of control. Yeah. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. I know what I want, know that I care. Nothing can change that. Talk to me, babe, fall for me, babe. Need you to hear me. Never this way. I hope you feel the same. I'ma lose it out of control. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah, yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just take.
Queens and kings, do me a favor and go check out my daughter's channel. She is an artist and she can draw her ass off. Now, if you're going to go check out her channel and support her channel, please support her channel on your own. Don't look for a subscription back because she don't know nothing about that. She's just on her channel doing her thing, trying to blow up. So show her some love and I appreciate you guys. Bye.
Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Baby, you make me lose my mind.
That hurt my legs.